My husband, he removed already this kind of vegetables. They call it hermeti or fenugreek leaves in English. See, because he will plant again another vegetables. What you will plant there, Dar? Meti also. He will plant also same. Because you see flower is coming now here. This one. So better remove. Uh, fresh from the field. And this is also cram. As you can see the leaves. Very big. Yan, so start already to remove this one. And this is for our goats. Special foods for them. For today's recipe, our dinner is vegetable. This is fenugreek leaves, organic vegetable, fresh from the garden. My husband, he get all from the field, including the roots, because he want to plant something there. Same also, he will plant this fenugreek leaves. So I clean this one. After I clean, I slice, then I wash 3 to 4 times. Then it's already sliced this one and wash. So now I saute garlic, onion and garlic. So now we can put now this one, this fenugreek leaves, sorry, this chili powder and salt. And this tomatoes and chilies. So we have to wait these tomatoes until become paste. Then we have to put this. I put also mix also some potatoes, so it will become more tasty if there is potatoes and fenugreek leaves. So this is for our dinner, partner with chapati. Dinner until tomorrow lunch. And the Chinese pichay, we give somebody from our neighbor up, our relatives up. And also this one, half of my husband, he get from the field. We give them also half. Because if we did not give, that is too much. So they will cook also. Now we can add now these potatoes, slices of potatoes. To be followed this fenugreek leaves. Right, sorry. Ah. Now we have to cover. Now let's check. It's already cooked these vegetables. So now I'm cooking chapati because my husband said he's hungry. So I'm cooking now chapati. Then Fatma, she go there up to get this lassi. They call it hair lassi. And this is juice from yogurt. Then that yogurt become butter. So this is juice. And this is very good partner of these vegetables with chapatis. And this is typical foods in villages here in Pakistan nationwide, especially here in our village here in Kashmir Creek, Rawlakot. So this is common and typical foods of people here in village of Kashmir, Rawlakot.